So it is a rainy day. It is the day before Hurricane Francine will make landfall here, and I am headed up to the store to see what few things I can grab left on the shelves, but I figured I'd just do a quick little video at the back of St. Louis Cathedral. Maybe I'll do a longer video on this at some point when it's not raining. Oh, look at this precious little bird family. Yeah. Can't see, there's another one tucked in there. I don't know if we can see her. Yeah. So, you can hear the noises of the French Quarter because it is the French Quarter. But this is the back of St. Anthony's Garden, and this is the back of St. Louis Cathedral. There is a statue of Christ, affectionately known as Touchdown Jesus. We mean no disrespect, but Saints football team is its own religion. LSU is more of a Jehovah's Witness version of religion. But this is the back of the garden. Many duels were actually fought here, and it was a place because there's, Catholics, we always have a loophole for some things. And if you were to have died on consecrated ground, it was the fast track. It was, you didn't have to worry about making last rites and the last sacrament before your death if you were a person who was sick and knew about it. But if you died on consecrated ground, you would automatically have absolution and your soul permitted from St. Peter to enter into the pearly gates. Oh, look at the little sparrows. Hi, little friend. Oh my goodness, how precious. And St. Anthony is the patron saint of lost anything, lost souls, lost peace. Oh my goodness, how precious. Just going to sit here quietly and enjoy the nature with you, which there's not much of in the French Quarter. Hey, Thomas.
I gotta bring them some food.
That's why they're all out. I'm like, why? I'm making a little video. I'm making a little video, and I was like, why are all the birds just all of a sudden? They know you're here.
Hey, you.
They know you're here because you always feed
Hey, you.
them. They
Here, my baby.
recognized you.
Look at that baby. I'm gonna go get some food here.
All right, I'm gonna head up
I've
to
already fed them
Rouse's.
4 times.
Of course you did. I was wondering, like, why are all of these birds? Is it my magical appearance? Is it me? No, it's Thomas. Good to see you, sweetheart. So yeah, life in the French Quarter. That's Thomas. He feeds all the crows and the birds, and look at them flocking behind him. Look at them. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. They know the pigeons, the sparrows. Look at that. And as we talk about St. Anthony, who is the patron saint of animals, and if you have a pet, I'm sorry, that's St. Francis. He should be St. Francis. But St. Anthony, who is the patron of lost things, lost items, and just a really cool little scene back here in this beautiful garden, very much based on how French gardens would have been laid out. And at night, this is absolutely beautiful when the lights are up and then the statue of Christ projects a huge shadow on the back of the building there. So, yeah. All right. I'm gonna go and get some last minute hurricane provisions. Catch you guys in the next video. This is so impromptu, but it's raw live footage and real life in the quarter.